Hi guys, it's Lisa here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be sharing a new CC cream with you guys. I heard the girls are making their foundation last in the summer because they are wearing CC cream. Now it has been a while since I have worn like CC creams or anything like that. I can't even remember like the last brand that I tried out, but It Cosmetics sent over two shades for me to try out. They sent over their CC Plus cream natural matte foundation with SPF 40. So these are the two that they sent over, these two babies right here. They sent over Tan and Tan Rich. I don't know if these two are my shade. When I was picking out like which ones I thought might match my skin tone, I really wasn't sure if these would be it, but I got two and we're gonna try them out. They also sent over their this is their all over complexion perfection heavenly luxe brush, and so we're gonna try it out. We're gonna try out the CC cream with this brush. Now I have not tried the CC cream yet, so this will be a first impression review. If I could just get this brush out of here. There we go. So it has a all over side, and then there's a concealer side as well. I just gotta get the paper off. There we go. That's the concealer side. So you would use this part under your eyes to blend out your concealer, and then this side on your face. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try out this tan first. This is what the little tube looks like. Get a good bit of CC cream. I really hope this is my shade. This would be perfect. Oh my gosh. And I wonder how it feels. I wonder how it feels on the skin. And it has SPF in it, SPF 40. It's color correcting, pore refining, full coverage cream. Full coverage? Okay, y'all. Okay. We gonna see. They have a ton of different shades for fair, light, medium, tan, tan rich, and deep shades. So there's a lot of different shades to choose from. Let's see. So it says it's supposed to instantly, I don't know y'all, it looks a little dark. So it says it's instantly supposed to blur the look of large pores. It says after 8 weeks it's supposed to improve the look of bare skin and texture. And if you see me looking over, it's because I'm looking on the website at what all the details are for this. And it says that it contains hyaluronic acid, and it's sweat proof and humidity proof. And if y'all don't know, I live in Charleston, South Carolina. Okay. Yeah, I live in Charleston, South Carolina, and the humidity here is crazy. Your girl can't talk today. So I'm blending this out on the back of my hand. I don't know. We gonna see though. We gonna see. It's fragrance free and it's vegan. Let's see. I have my mirror. Okay. I don't know. It's looking a little ashy. This is not like the typical shade I would go for. It's looking a little ashy. We're gonna see it through and see. It's looking a little ashy, y'all. It's almost like it's a tad too dark. Like I needed like a warm tan almost. I don't know. Look at that. That's this side with nothing on it. And then this side. It's looking a little dark and ashy is what it's looking. I don't think this is my shade, y'all. It's like it almost matches. Maybe it's like the matte look to it. I'm gonna put more on the other side and see. But I feel like my warm skin tone is getting lost under this. And I will say when I first apply it to my hand, it's like lighter. And then when it dries down, it gets darker. See how it's looking when I first apply it? And this is a fresh brush, so nothing else is mixed in it. I need something that might be a little bit warmer, a little bit more golden for my skin, I think. See, now this is tan, And I have Tan Rich as well. And that's supposed to be like a shade darker, I believe. Let me look real quick. That's supposed to be like a shade darker, if I'm not mistaken. That's warm, tan, cool, neutral tan, medium tan. They have a lot of different tans. I will say that Tan Rich is darker. So I know that is not going to work. Tan Rich is the deepest tan. And I'm wearing the regular tan. Okay, it's drying in. It's drying in. I don't know if I'm going to take this up on my forehead, y'all. I don't know if I'm going to take it up on my forehead. I don't know. Oh, gosh. Y'all, I'm nervous. No. Oh, my gosh. It's giving mass is what it's giving. I need my beauty blender. One second. This is, Alright guys, so even though I have this CC cream on my face and it's not the correct shade, obviously I'm so ready to take it off because it's not giving me life. But since I have it on my face, I am just going to share with you how it feels. So this CC cream is made for my folks that have oily and combination skin or sensitive skin. And I have more of like combination skin because I get like oily in my T-zone area, and then I have some parts of my face that get a little dry, so I would say I have combination skin. This foundation, the CC cream, feels, I don't know if I would reach for this. I can feel it on my skin, y'all. I can feel it on my skin, and I really like foundations or CC creams that I can't really feel on my skin. I can feel this product on my skin right now. This isn't something I would typically reach for again and again and again. And I use a lot of different foundations. I don't know. I wouldn't recommend this. The price point on this is $47. I don't know, y'all. I don't have much to say about this foundation. Maybe I would feel different if it was my shade. I don't know. This is more so something I would wear in the winter. It does have an SPF in it. Maybe that's why it feels the way it feels. And I'm not used to wearing CC creams. Maybe that's what it is. I don't know. But that's just my honest review of this CC cream, y'all. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. Don't drag me too bad. I know it's not my shade. The other shade they sent over, Tan Rich, I know for sure that would not be my shade. So I'm not even going to try it. So yeah, that's about it for this video, guys. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.